Put the onions in a heat-proof bowl and pour over enough boiling water to cover. Leave to stand for at least 10 minutes, then drain and peel off the skins. They should come off very easily after soaking. Heat the oil in a frying pan and then add the onions. Cook gently for 10 minutes or until lightly browned, turning them frequently. Add the garlic and cook for further 2 to 3 minutes. And then set aside. Now place the chicken breast portions in the frying pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, turning once or twice until lightly browned on both sides. It is nice when the chicken is lightly browned, so it will be like crispy skin. Turn the chicken to the other side. It's looking nice. Now the chicken is getting ready. Set aside the chicken. Next is pour the cider into the pan. Add the bay leaves. And then a little bit of salt and pepper, and bring to boil. Now put the onions on the pot together with the chicken. Next is to pour the hot cider and bay leaves over the chicken, and then cover the pot with a lid and cook for an hour or until the chicken is cooked and tender. Now lift out the chicken breast, set aside while you finish preparing the cider sauce. Stir the creme fraiche or sour cream and the herbs into the sauce. Try to taste. And then you're going to return the chicken to the pot and cook for further 30 minutes on high fire or until it is piping hot. It's better if the sauce is sticky like Okay, so when the chicken is ready, You can serve it immediately with lightly sauteed potatoes and green vegetables such as cabbage, or depends which one would you like. And that's the food is ready. The tarragon chicken in cider. Bon appetit! And hope you like this video. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button so you can be updated to my latest video uploads. Yum yum.